Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a flip through of this journal that I made yesterday on Sunday. Full disclosure, it's my first hardcover journal that I've ever made and completed. I'm very excited about it, so I just wanted to share it with you. The theme of it is going to be like art journal / eclectic and kind of funky wonky. So let's get started. The outside was made with painty paper that was under paper. It's just on craft paper. And then I did a stitching around it just to enforce it. So let's move into it. Okay, so I'll show you the front and back real quick. So I just added some fun paper. This is a pocket, another pocket. This is just something I made yesterday. There's 3 signatures. Okay, so I'll just flip through. They're pretty self-explanatory. I was just going to show you the kind of pages I chose. Oh, I added a pocket. I was live last night and playing in it. This is some painty paper. Pretty excited about this journal because I've tried to make some in the past, but hardcovers. And I really just got frustrated and gave up. So yesterday I forged through and finished this one. And it's going to be a lot of fun to work in. It's going to be very chunky when it's complete. Let me know in the comments if you guys are into this style. Even if you love vintage and any other style, let me know if you like this style too. If you don't, that is totally fine. I like lots of styles of journals. This one I just wanted it to be kind of a play journal, practice, have, fun things in it. Okay, so that is signature 1. Here's signature 2. I love my polka dots, so you'll see those scattered throughout. This paper is texture paper. I'm not sure what it's called or where it's from. I just happen to have it in my stash, so it's crinkly. This is some dyed paper that I did. I just tried to do a mix of, plain papers that I could embellish and decorate. Oh, I added a little funky pocket last night. A little bit of cardstock for bold initial colors. A little flap. And then I added this magazine photo to the center of this signature just because I liked what it said. Let's see. Yep, and since I was playing it a little last night, I added this painted paper pocket that I made on my live a couple nights ago. And here's that crispy, crunchy paper again. And then the signature ends. This is the last signature. I just did a little stitching on the border. Of course, the polka dots make their appearance again. So yeah, I'm real excited about this journal. By no means do I think it's perfect, but it's perfect for me. It's got just the right colors. So that's the center. And I added this magazine piece just because, I liked the statement on it. Magazine pieces don't seem to do real well with binding. I just add a little pocket. And I'll cover that up. And that's where it ends. So, yeah. 3, oops. Okay, so then I added just this little hook. I plan on hanging some junky wonky things. I think the cover will end up being kind of like, what's the word? Graffiti. So I did a few, you might not be able to see on camera, but it's nothing special, but I just started doodling. I think I'll doodle on it and add things just as I feel like it without any pressure. So yeah, let me know if you guys like these kinds of journals. I may get into making them to sell if there's, people like this style. Of course, I would add some pockets and clip in like fun, funky ephemera and have envelopes and, goodies to go with it. But if not, no biggie. I thoroughly enjoyed making it. So Anyways, I had to come back because my dog hit my table. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe if you like my stuff, and I'll see you later.